And the next question is MCQ with one or more than one correct answers. So in this reaction, B and C are the answers. A and D are wrong. Now let us see the sequence of reactions involved. So we have the starting material with chlorine atom in the para position for this substituent C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. Now when you allow it to react with chlorine in the presence of AlCl3, it is Lewis acid AlCl3. So chlorine reacts with AlCl3 to give AlCl4 minus plus Cl plus. So chloronium group is to be substituted. Electrophilic substitution. And this chlorine atom is ortho para directing. Ortho group is here vacant and ortho meta para is already occupied. And this is the carbonyl group and thereby meta position. So therefore chlorine will be substituted at this position. So this chlorine will remain. This chlorine will be substituted and here is the C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH3. That is substance A. Now when you treat it with zinc amalgam in the presence of constant HCl, Clemenson's reduction. So this C double bond O will become CH2. So therefore this remains same, chlorine and chlorine, and this CH2, 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 CH3. This is B. Now what is C formed on treatment with nitration, that is nitric acid with concentrated sulfuric acid, nitration reaction. Nitronium ion is an electrophile. Therefore, electrophilic substitution should take place. And this is alkyl group plus I and chlorine is minus I plus M. This allow the incoming group to go into ortho to this, para to this. So nitro group will be substituted here. So thus we get nitro group being substituted here. This will remain same, CH2, 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 CH3 and this chlorine and this chlorine. This is C. Then this is treated with a strong base containing unsaturation. CH2 double bond CH, CH2O minus Na plus. So this Cl with Na plus will come out in the form of NaCl and thereby OCH2, CH double bond CH2 will be substituted in its place. So thereby D becomes the nitro group remaining same. This is a strong electron withdrawing group. This Cl. This will be the O that will be attacked here with CH2, CH double bond CH2. And this remains CH2, 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 CH3. This is D. And this is subjected to reduction now in the last step with Lindlar's catalyst. So the double bond is reduced in the side chain to give this NO2 remaining same, chlorine remaining same. But here OCH2, CH2, CH3. This double bond is reduced and this will remain same, CH2, 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 CH3. This becomes E. Now when you compare the answers for A given in the sequence of reaction is this A is here. So the substituent here has come at this position instead of here. So therefore it is wrong. Whereas in the B we have the chlorine substitution correct, here correct, and B is on Clemenson's reduction. This C double bond O is also reduced. So therefore it is right. And in C we have in the reaction sequence after nitration, nitro group has come into the correct position here, chlorine, chlorine, and this C double bond O is already reduced. So this is also right. Then what is wrong in D? Here E is asked, that is after reduction. One is double bond is remaining here and the position of substitution is also wrong. So therefore D is wrong.